ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 90 ஸ்லோகா 5. ஸ்ரீசங்கரோऽपि भगवान् सकलेषु तावत् त्वामेव मानयति यो न हि पक्षपाती त्वनिष्ठमेव स हि नामसहस्रकादिः व्याख्यत् भवत्स्तुतिपरश्च गतिं गतोऽन्ते. Word by word meaning. Bhagavan Shankaraha api. Sri Shankara Bhagavad Pada also. Sakaleshu tavat. Among all the Shakala forms. Tvam eva manayati. He worships thee particularly. Saha yaha na hi pakshapati. He Shankara, who is not a sectarian. Nama Sahasrakadi Tvanishtam Eva. Only the Sahasranama and other works like the Gita, which are devoted to thee alone. Vyakhyat has commented on. Ante, at the end of his life. Bhavat Stuti Paraha Eva, praising thee alone. Gatim Gataha Cha, he attained Samadhi. Full meaning. Sri Bhagavatpada Shankara, who is not a sectarian, worshipped thee particularly among all the Shakala forms. He wrote commentaries only on the Vishnu Sahasranama and other works devoted to thee. At the end, he dropped his body singing thy praise. Om Tat Sat.